Hello everyone. Returning to Shib Kai, welcome. Google CEO, get ready to never work again after confirming Shiba Inu burn. At South by Southwest on Monday, hours after the failure of Silicon Valley Bank threatened the survival of the majority of tech firms, Shiba made headlines. An iconic monument to the Japanese hunting dog breed, the Shiba Inu, known as the W Agmi Temple, was erected in honor of the cryptocurrency slogan "We're all going to make it." Hundreds of festival-goers filed into this Zen escape, a virtual landscape with enchanting forests of bamboo and cherry trees swaying in the wind. It provided a break from collapsing financial systems and the first glimpse into the metaverse being constructed by Shu cryptocurrency innovators. We will discuss the Google CEO's confirmation of Shiba Inu burn in this video. Prepare to never work again. Shiba reports. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. There will inevitably be bank runs similar to last Friday's and decentralization of cryptocurrency. The enigmatic chief developer of Shiba Inu, Shoshir Kusama, only goes by his alias and an avatar that is an image of a person wearing a long cloak and hood. He uses Google Meet to communicate with Fast Company, turning off his video camera, and says he types into a chatbot instead of speaking aloud. He attacks the fractional reserves used by banks, saying that the 5% global adoption rate will rise as more people choose to diversify and become aware of this. Then people ask, what's this Shiba thing, and discover how fantastic it is. It's not like some folks are unaware that Web3 advocates remain a specialized segment of the Twitter community. But Shiba may have the most cult-like fan base among the crypto deans. The token was invented as a joke 2.5 years ago with the intention of creating a Dogecoin killer in order to surpass the rival meme-based token, Dogecoin. However, its devoted followers, referred to as the Shiba Army, couldn't be more earnest. Together, they propelled Shiba Inu to a $44 billion market valuation, ranking among the top 10 cryptocurrencies at one point. With nothing more than a grassroots social media campaign, its universe has grown to include 10,000 Shoshin NFTs, or pixelated Shibu characters with various accessories like a pizza slice hanging from the dog's mouth or a pirate hat. ShibaSwap is a decentralized exchange platform. After receiving praise from Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin and cryptocurrency pioneer Elon Musk, Shibu partnered with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. From what started out as happy trolling by the meme crowd, crypto Twitter has grown to 3.6 million followers. These users are among the loudest on the network and are eager to dogpile onto news stories. They have hashtags like #HailShip and Shiba Army Strong, which promise to send Shiba to the moon in 2022. It was the third cryptocurrency in the world to be found on Google. With the launch of its Layer 2 blockchain, Shibum, and a batch of new tokens last week in beta to be ready for a flagship metaverse, it's now making its greatest leap to date. Rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond will have his first virtual storefront opening in Shiba, the metaverse. Shiba wants to use it to transcend beyond being a meme coin. A big part of the attraction is Shiba's strange folklore. Rashi, the company's creator, was likewise cloaked in mystery before abruptly disappearing from the internet this summer. Ironically, his cat-shaped Discord avatar vanished forever, but he left behind some evidence. Before Musk's remarks drove the token surging, but after it had amassed 6,000 wallets, Rashi left behind a roadmap that Shoshir joined. Since then, she has continued to follow. Shiba's financial situation is likewise unknown. Shoshir claims that while money from Shoshin NFT sales is used elsewhere, the development of the metaverse is funded by sales of metaverse land plots. The group is still debating whether to retain a portion of the tokens or what leash and bones tokenomics will be. They refuse to say if they receive a portion of the transaction fees collected by ShibaSwap. Shiba's biggest boast, despite not having raised venture financing, is its community, a term that appears frequently in blog entries, tweets, and magazine interviews. As main advisor for the Shiba Metaverse, Marcy Gastro explains to Fast Company, the Shiba Army's input is being taken into consideration while the metaverse is being planned. The group employed a company to build it with Unreal Engine software, but they lack a creative director. They start by creating concept art in black and white sketches, post the drafts to a blog, and monitor social media for feedback before repeatedly adjusting the color and rendering in 3 dimensions. The WMI Temple, the first of 11 future zones, is a pristine fantasy land with grazing deer and outdoor yoga. Even in other metaverses, such as Decentraland, The Sandbox, or Yuga Labs' Other Side, there is a community. Usually viewed as rivalry, Gastro maintains that the pioneers need to unite in order to create the metaverse, a new and revolutionary realm. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. We wanted everyone to win, we just wanted the headset to work. It may seem overly amiable, particularly during the hard times of the cryptocurrency winter when venture capital financing has dried up and survival seems more competitive than ever. Gastro is correct, though. Since every metaverse struggles to sell people on the idea of living in the Web 3, or even a 3D Web 2, what works for one may work for all. Though Mark Zuckerberg threw his company's reputation on the line with the Metaverse division posting a $13.3 billion loss in 2022, Meta is now more focused on artificial intelligence than the Metaverse. This is in contrast to Zuckerberg's fervent campaigning for Horizon Worlds. With only 8,000 daily active users, Decentraland is undoubtedly the industry leader. As of late last year, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar. With a value of 0.00000001, there are 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a drop of up to 80% in certain metaverse coins. Around now, Shibu's market capitalization stands around $6 billion. As previously suggested, if the token were to increase in value to $1 per token, this would imply an astounding implicit valuation of $589 trillion, far exceeding even the gross domestic product of the world. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements keep making news. Shiba Inus have become increasingly popular as a result of their high return potential, which has attracted many investors. The community of Shiba Inu's owners and traders keeps growing as the breed's demand rises. Any prudent investor will understand, of course, that achieving such a price would require significant supply decreases. However, given its current low price and great potential benefits, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn to the possibility of making money by investing in this unique cryptocurrency powered by millennials. The token known as Shiba, which powers Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, flew 15% to trade at the time of writing, at 0.120. The price of the Shiba Inu increased 96% to a new yearly high of 0.000000011576 by early February after it had previously retested critical descending trendline support earlier in March. This suggests the trend was ready to shift northwards prior to the correction to 0.00001, which coincided with the trendline Shiba had broken out in January. Investors cannot fully declare a new bull market unless Shiba checks a few boxes, despite the double-digit gain in the last day. With a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is now selling at 0.000000120. Shiba Inu's trading volume surged by 30% to $321 million in the last day, suggesting that investors are piling in more money in anticipation of a significantly larger price shift in the next several days. However, price movement below 0.112 is currently limited by the 100-day exponential moving average. Shiba has to sustain the breakout from the declining trend line with a break over this pivotal moving average. Important momentum indicators such as the moving average convergence-divergence indicate a determined bullish front despite the current obstacle. Following Silicon Valley Bank's fall, which also caused the rest of the market to collapse, the MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart for Shiba Inu. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal, but this time it is staying above the mean line. Particularly during this week's rebound in anticipation of the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate hike decision on March 22, buyers are adamant about holding on to the accumulated profits. The 4-hour chart's 100-day EMA, which is at 0.111, is above the price of Shiba Inu. Recall that the daily chart's immediate resistance is the 100-day EMA. It may be confirmed that support is still in place and that the upside path has the least amount of opposition by a daily closing above 0.111. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.